Hi, I'm Hinda with New Holland Construction. Behind me, you'll see a selection of New Holland's new lineup of compact excavators that offer more power, more productivity, and more value than ever before. These compact but powerful machines, ranging from approximately 17 to 65 horsepower, help you make the most of every workday with the performance, maneuverability, and versatility you need to operate in congested work sites. Features like the standard auxiliary hydraulics and auto-shift travel system make the C-Series compact excavators an absolute pleasure to operate. For more information, visit www.newholland.com or stop by your local New Holland dealer to learn more.